LineUp allows you to pick out and line up your priority tasks and share this across your company or team. As a manager, you can see each person's current priorities when delegating work and readjust them if needed. You can see your LineUp in Home and everyone else's in their profiles. You can add tasks to your LineUp in Home by dragging them from the trending tasks or clicking Add to LineUp or plus buttons. You can see, add, and adjust other people's lineups by clicking on the profile beside their name in any person picker. You can also go to any task and in the ellipsis menu choose Add to LineUp, then select the person whose lineup it should be added to. LineUp is a Workspace app which can be disabled by an admin by going into the Settings, Click Apps, scrolling to LineUp, and disabling it. Small teams may wish to do this if their tasks are already easily organized and there is less need for communication. Where LineUp really shines, however, is with larger teams, where members are assigned tasks in multiple locations which can't be personally organized. LineUp allows each person to construct a to-do list, regardless of location, to lock down what they need to do next and for the day. Or it can allow managers to quickly make to-do lists for each direct report without needing to use hierarchy, filtering, or anything else. LineUp also stops wasted time, interrupting staff to find out if they can be delegated something or if they're already working on more critical tasks. Finally, if you need any help, we're here for you. Just reach out to us at help@clickup.com. And if you have great ideas for how ClickUp could be even better, let us know. You can do so on our feedback boards at feedback.clickup.com. Have a great day.